Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab channel, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. Unfortunately, this app does not auto-rotate, so you have to use your tablet in vertical position. First of all, you need to access your app from menu. Then select Allow, and while using the app in all of the pop-ups, and click on this purple mic button to start your recording. From here you can delete it right away by choosing this bin icon and tapping on this card. But you can also end it and save it by clicking on the check mark. Now name it however you wish to and click on Save. As you can see, my recording is over here. If you wish to play it, just click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it. Then select this bin icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!